Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Google Trip is our today's video's topic. Google Trip is an Android app that helps you to organize your trip. So let's start with a video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the app Google Trips Travel Planner. Install this app. Let's see its feature. Like a personalized guide in your pocket. Google Trips make exploring the world easier by organizing your essential info in one place. Automatic trip organization. Your travel reservations are automatically gathered from Gmail, organized into individual trips. Bundled reservations. See your flight, hotel, rental car, and restaurant bookings in one place. Day plans, nearby attractions, things to do. Offline access. App is released on 2016, updated on April 10, 2018. App is installed now. Open it. Get started. Search your destination. Click allow to access your location. Reservations. It's empty still now. Go back. Create a trip. Destination. Dates. Add another destination. Search for the destination. Here it's created another destination with dates. Click done. Now click on reservations. Here add reservations. Flight, hotel, train, bus. Add notes. Put the airline flight number, destination, flight time, confirmation number. Things to do. Here it showing the top spots. Indoors, museum, their timings. Outdoors. Kid friendly places. Further away. Saved places. No saved places yet. Save places from here. Want to go. Indoor places. Save this museum in your list. And here it will show saved places. Day plans. Suggested. Add your day plan. Select the place from map. Start from here. Pin this site. You can plan for full day, afternoon or morning, day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Go back. Food and drink, restaurants, cafes, discounts. So you see how this app helps you to plan your trips and save your info related to trip. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yeah.